Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking to update your wardrobe with some really fun leggings? I have the ones that you're looking for right here. These are from Cerburny, and these are a great pair of leggings that will take you into every workout, and you'll enjoy wearing them all day as well. This is a beautiful pair of tropical leggings, and you can see the print on them is really pretty. It has literally every color, which is really cool because it will go with every top that you have in your wardrobe. These leggings are nice and fitted. I got the size small, which is normally what I wear, and I find that they're very comfortable and they work well for every type of workout. They feel so comfortable you could easily wear them all day with your favorite top. They also have pockets, which is a really nice feature, and the pockets are really roomy and they work well to hold your phone if you're going for a walk. The leggings are tapered right down to the ankle length, so they're the perfect long legging that will work well. The leggings also wash well, so washing them in cold water and then hanging them to dry, I found that they did not lose their elasticity, but rather the leggings feel just as good when you're putting them on. If you're looking for the perfect pair of leggings that not only fits really well, but also has a great print, great fun design to get you going and ready for your next workout, then you need to check them out. And that's my point of view.